Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well today guys. I share with you crochet top blouses designs. This video are so perfectly designed. You look so amazing design. In daily basis designs for your more elegant videos. You look so amazing videos. Are amazing designs and different gorgeous crochet tops. Easily carry with jeans, palazzo pants, garara lehenga. So perfectly designed. You look so happy for this design. एंड जो क्रॉचेट वर्क आप सबके साथ शेयर किया जाता है और amazing videos and any videos related to crochet top blouses. So perfectly designs. You look so amazing design. May Allah keep happy, keep laughing, keep smiling, keep caring in the same way. Allah, Ameen. Amazing, gorgeous idea, so beautiful, so elegant, so attractive, so stunning, so excellent ideas for collection of crochet. And different colors are also amazing designs and depending on your choice. This work is totally hand-knitted work. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegant and more gorgeous videos. So amazing and gorgeous videos. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well today guys.